Artoonza.
Stop everything! Because I tried to draw a sunflower with nail polish. And things got hilariously messy, like vacuuming glitter off my desk messy. Today, we're coloring petals with glitter, painting seeds with golden nail polish. Yeah, that's totally a thing. But shh, please don't tell my mom. And using paint injections like we're mad sunflower scientists. Let's brush, blot, sparkle, and make that sunflower bloom like it's auditioning for a garden fashion show.
So cute.
Give us your like. Whoa, this glitter looks like my sunflower crashed the party. And now it's the official fashion disaster of the flower world. I think even the bees said, nah, I'll pollinate elsewhere. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Give us a big thumbs up. Step 1. My stern and leaves just got a sparkly spa day. Can nail polish make plants fabulous? Oh, yes, it can. Okay, this nail polish is so sparkly, I think my sunflower just got fancy. This is so amazing. Color, color, color.
Aw, so cute.
Step 2. Brown drops plus golden glitter nail polish equals sunflower seeds and disc florets disco party. Shh. Don't tell my mom. She thinks I'm coloring calmly.
Wow!
Don't be shy, color high. Color, color, color. Smash that like button now. This is so amazing. If anyone asks, no, I definitely did not use nail polish for this. This is better. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.